What is up sa mga mahilig sa pabango? This is your boy, Ode Terence. And today, kasama natin si...
Armin
And nandito tayo sa Amoy.
Piranyan! So, welcome back again dito sa another episode namin dito sa channel ko po. Siyempre, channel din to ni Boss Terence. You are very welcome
Guest
here.
lang, guest lang.
Yes. So, sa itong episode natin, Boss Terence, i-review ba natin si Vice Ganda? Yung...
It's kasi,
si Vice Ganda yan eh, oh,
Hero
di
of
ba?
the horse.
Si Kabayo. Joke lang, joke lang. You know how much we love you, Vice Ganda, okay? So anyways, we are going to review itong nakikita nyong isang kabayo at ito naman si Kabayo na dalawang kabayo. So tatlong kabayo yung review namin.
Guys,
So,
dalawang kabayo yan.
tapos ito yung pangatlong kabayo, okay? So this is from the brand of
Latafa.
Latafa. This is Maahir Legacy. And this is from the brand of, syempre, alam nyo na itong dalawang kabayo na to. Ano to, Boss Terence?
Parfums de Marly.
This-
Sedley.
Sedley. Okay. So, we're going to talk about this scent. Is it really worthy ng nilabas nitong Parfums de Marly Sedley? Are they really original niche brand? Or may kinokopya din silang pabango na talagang pineperahan lang lahat ng mga tao? Or you will stick with this perfume and close ba siya dito? Is this worth it than this one? Or this is worth it than this one? Pag-usapan natin yan.
Okay.
Now, sige, go, Boss
Brief,
Terence.
brief intro, no?
Yeah.
Guys, ang Parfums de Marly is a niche brand, no?
Mhm.
So, I think ang popular dito sa Pilipinas, isa ito sa mga popular na release nila eh.
Yes.
Kasi ito yung parang mga summer fragrance nila.
Oo.
Ano ba yung mga popular nila na summer fragrance?
Mga Percival,
Greenlee,
Greenlee, ano pa ba?
Sedley.
Sedley,
Ayun.
yun lang yung mga alam namin na mga nirelease ng Parfums de Marly.
Well, ito kasi, they call it the Sprite in a bottle.
Oo, I agree.
So, dati ko pang pangarap to.
Mhm.
So, nung huli, na nakuha ko nga, yes, Sprite nga talaga siya.
Yeah.
But, medyo, actually, ang dami nang nagme-message sa comments dati pa na, Sir, review niyo naman yung mahir.
Oo, ang dami
Maahir
nang kukulit.
na yun.
Nakikita ko, oh, makukulit sila eh.
Kasi search ko, dupe pala siya nito.
Mhm.
Okay. So, sabi ko, sige, mura lang naman.
Mhm.
Let's see what's the fuzz about. So, kumuha tayo nito.
Yeah.
And lo and behold, ang first impressions ko is I was blown away
Yeah.
dito.
Nagulat ka, no?
Nagulat ako. Tapos tinanong ko si Armin, naamoy mo na ba ang Mahir Legacy?
Yeah.
Sabi niya, Terence, sobrang okay niyan. Sabi ko, Armin, bakit parang wala masyadong nagre-review doon? Terence, feeling ko ginigip-kip yun.
Gatekeep talaga.
Pero guys, alam niyo, sobrang, paano ba? Ito kasi, kid you not, sobrang nagustuhan ko to.
Mhm.
Parang ginamit ko siya for 1 week straight. And normally, pag yung behavior ko yun lumabas, na nagamit ko yung pabango na 1 week straight, ibig sabihin gusto ko talaga siya.
Yeah.
And guys, just to update you, bumili na ako ng backup bottle nito.
Which is really worth it.
For me, this is that good.
Yeah.
Now, I'll leave it to Armin to describe kung ano yung differences nilang dalawa.
Yeah.
Kasi,
sure.
yan na naman ako eh. May magko-comment na naman, ino-overhype na naman ni Boss Terence, gano'n.
Oo.
Baka masyado ko ng Iglesian. Armin, ikaw na lang muna.
Sure, no problem. Actually, matagal ko na naamoy ito, Boss Terence, itong Maahir Legacy. During the pandemic era or after pandemic, naamoy ko na siya. Sabi ko, may kinokopya din naman itong Maahir Legacy compared sa dito, which is, this is the dupe of this one. But this is not original creation kasi kumopya din naman to sa isang classic designer fragrances, okay? Na I call them as the standalone, then this one, I don't call it as a niche fragrance. This is also a dupe of original creation, okay? Baka sabihin nyo dyan, Sir, niche na niche yan. No, I don't call this one as a niche, okay? This is just a dupe lang din on a higher expensive bottle. But this one, this is a dupe of this one, or we call it dupe of designer fragrance na ginawa ng Latafa dito. But what makes this scent and bakit ano ba ang difference nitong scent na to at kinokopya na to? Very present yung pagka-Sprite opening. Okay? So if this one, yung Sprite niya is like parang tuyo na, Boss Terence.
Yung dinescribe nga namin ni Armin eh. Kung Sprite itong dalawa,
Oo.
ito yung Sprite na bagong bukas.
Yes.
Ganon.
Oo.
Yung
Very refreshing.
very sparkling eh.
Yung parang nasa tirik ka na araw, uhaw na uhaw kang inumin.
Pero ito yung parang Sprite na nabuksan na,
Oo.
na pag naiwan, tapos parang sumingaw na yung mga carbo, yung spirito wala na.
Oo. Tapos tinatamad ka na ayaw mo nang inumin kasi medyo nawala na yung cold ice vibes niya. Okay?
And just to differentiate it, it comes to me as parang lemon lime. Basta
Yes.
yung lime angat siya.
Sobrang angat, yes.
Pero dito more on mas lemon leaning siya for me.
Walang masyadong lime. Lemon lang talaga.
And dito, ewan ko kung napansin mo,
Mhm.
parang, ang tawag doon, pati yung rind, yung parang mapait, yung balat,
Ah, yes. It's there.
nandun eh.
May pagka...
No?
Naamoy ko yung pagka-bitter. Yung parang bitterness ba? Tama ba?
Yes, yung parang balat nung lime,
Oo.
parang hinulog din doon sa...
They just put it in the glass of a cold ice. Pero may nakukuha din ako, may pagka parang malamig siya na effect. Nakukuha mo ba yun? Tapos there is also this metallic accord that represents that parang nasa loob to ng isang baso na metal flask. I don't know if do you get that in here. Yung parang, it gives that parang masculinity. Talagang parang lalaking-lalaki yung datingan. And also, I will make this one. Very present sa kanilang dalawa, 3 particular notes, which is the lavender, the mint, and the rosemary. Nakuha mo yung parang rosemary
Yes.
niya?
And kanina, Armin was educating me.
Yeah.
Kasi sinabi ko sa kanya, Armin, may pagkaamoy barbershop to, no?
Meron!
Sabi niya, yun nga. Tapos, in-enumerate niya yung 3 notes na yun.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, Sir Terence, usually, pag nakita mo yung 3 notes, matic yan, barbershop scent na yan.
Yeah. Fougere category. Shaving foam.
Shaving foam,
Yeah.
So, lalo na dito, very prominent siya dito.
Sobra. Very, parang dapper gentleman talaga. Kakatapos na magpagupit eh.
Oo.
Ganun yung datingan niya eh. And also, another fact, there is also present in here, may creaminess eh, Boss Terence eh. Nakukuha mo dito yung pagka-creaminess ng sandalwood.
Yes, kasi medyo matamis siya.
Matamis siya, oo.
So, actually, para siyang Sprite, pero nilagyan mo ng vanilla ice cream. Parang float.
Ang sarap, sobrang
Diba?
sarap, oo. But don't get us wrong ha, na porket sinabi ni Boss Terence yung may pagka-dominant na vanilla and creamy sandalwood,
It's not heavy.
Hindi,
Hindi siya
oo.
matamis na parang
na ewan, oo.
More on creamy.
Yes.
Tama si Armin, creamy.
Creamy, but ito yung creamy way na talagang if let's say sobrang citrusy na yung pabango mo, yung creaminess dito ng sandalwood, it acts to give that parang, anong tawag doon? Nagbibigay siya ng parang konting, let's say, if you put yung sarili mo sa resume, mag-apply ka sa trabaho, may another experience ka for 1 year sa ibang parang, let's say, company, yung sandalwood nagbibigay ng experience dito sa pabango na to para at least hindi ka mauumay sa sobrang dami ng citruses niya. 'Di ba, Boss Terence? And also, ang sarap suotin nito, especially pag gym ka, pang jogging ka, or let's say you're going on an office, sobrang gentleman ng datingan nito. I don't know bakit wala sa
Actually,
inyo
oo, no? Ang lakas
pinapansin to pabango na to.
makagwapo nitong pabango
Sobrang
na to.
gwapo, ang
Parang
linis.
very manly,
Yeah.
very clean. Parang, yun nga, parang clean
Clean
shaven.
shave, kakatapos na mag-shave.
Oo. Tapos, alam mo yung kahit parang galing kang gym, yung pawis na pawis ka, pero parang amoy bagong ligo ka.
Oh, maski nagpawis ka na,
Mm-mm.
maski you took out of the shower, you smell neat with this scent. Okay? No, now, this one naman, ang nipis niya. I don't know if this is the reformulated version na meron si Boss Terence. Kasi yung last time na naamoy ko to, way back before, mga older formulation niya, ang lakas nito, Boss Terence. You
Well,
will get nose
I
blind.
won't be surprised if reformed na ito, no?
Oo, pero I think this is the reformulation kasi sobrang hina niya. Sobrang hina nito. While compared to this one, syempre ito, wala namang reform. Ang lakas, quality sa quality. You will get nose blind. Sa mga nakapag-try na nito, let us know in the comment section how many hours this one lasts on your skin, How many hours last this one on your skin? And kamusta ang performance nila, projection longevity
I
yun?
think
Pag-usapan sa
The
comment
way na
section.
pinag-uusapan natin,
Oo.
I think nasa-sense na ng mga viewers kung ano yung mas gusto natin.
Yun
di
nga
ba?
eh.
So, straightforward, this is one of the few cases na parang ako, I'm assuming, Armin, tama ba ako?
Yes, yes.
Ito yung both, you prefer this over this,
Yes,
right?
definitely. I would invest my money on this one, and I would buy 2 to 3 bottles of this one. Then this one, you will just waste a lot of money.
Actually, ako rin eh. This is the case na mas prefer ko yung dupe kaysa
Yeah.
sa OG eh.
Yes.
So, it's really a hard proposition eh, knowing that this costs 5 digits eh.
No, nga, masakit sa bulsa sa totoo
Oo.
lang.
And this costs parang 1/5 or 1/6 of the price.
Yes, correct.
Kaya nga napa-backup bottle na ako eh. Feeling ko mauubos din kaagad sa akin to eh.
Yeah, mabilis na siya maubos kasi ang sarap niyang ipangligo at hindi ka manghihinayang na mag-spray ka na mag-spray na mag-spray. Okay? So let's talk about now the recommendations and the ratings nito, Boss Terence. Which one would you recommend to our audience? This one. Oh. For me, I would recommend as well this one. Highly recommended ko to. Okay naman ito. If you are the type of a person na you are a hater of dupes, bilhin mo na lang to. Pero ito masasabi ko sa inyo ha, alamin nyo muna, mag-research muna kayo. Are you buying the reformulated version? Then after 1 week, magre-reklamo ka, ay, hindi ito matagal yung pabango, sayang yung pera ko, ginastos ko ng 10,000 plus or 18,000 plus. Sayang yung pera. Do your research first. Is it reformulated or not? I believe reformulated na siya. Don't waste your money. Just invest your money on this one. Okay? This one, highly recommended ko din tong pabango na to. Okay naman siya, but no, not recommending this one. You go with this one. Okay? Now, let's go on the ratings. What would you give ratings for this one? 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest, and this one as well, Boss Terence.
I'm judging it based sa era na nakuha ko to ah. So, if this is a reformulated version,
Yes?
sad to say, I am gonna rate this as mga 6.8.
No,
Parang
6.8.
wala siyang wow factor sa akin compared dito eh. And this one, I'm gonna give this a 9.
9 out of 10. Wow, okay. Thank you so much for the ratings. Now, this one naman, I would give it as a 5 out of 10 sa totoo lang. Hindi lang porket niche siya, hindi ako niche lover. I'm a niche lover. I'm artisan lover. I love dupes. I love everything. But this one, sadly, ayokong magsayang kayo ng pera, okay? For me, yan yung ratings ko dyan. This one, I would give it a very high ratings since I love this kind of a DNA. I am a sucker for fougere, barber shoppy type of a scent. It gives that paano dapat ang mag-amoy mga lalaki. This one, I will give it easily for me 9 out of 10 to. Okay? So, yun lang yung masasabi namin about this one. And hopefully, na-enjoy nyo itong review namin. And if you have any comments about these two perfumes, what's your experience about it? Have you tried these two fragrances? Let us know in the comment section. Nothing else to say, Boss Terence?
Isisingit ko lang.
Yes.
Guys, sa mga pahinga muna kayo sa imagination. Pahinga muna kayo sa Aventus. Or mga hawas-hawas na yan.
Yeah.
Guys, this is slept upon.
Yeah.
Okay?
Sobra.
Walang pumapansin masyado dito. And we thank you for the viewers who commented that we review this.
Yes.
Tama. We give it to you. Kayo nag-recommend
Credit
dito.
sa inyong lahat.
Credit sa inyo.
Yeah.
Guys, hindi pinag-uusapan to, pero ako sa imagination medyo naumay na ako.
Naumay na din ako sa totoo lang.
Sa Aventus medyo malapit na. Pero dito, isipin mo 1
Iba.
week straight, hinahanap-hanap ko pa rin.
Hindi ka basta-basta makakasuot ng pabango na 1 week straight, ha? Sa totoo lang.
And guys, ano to scent profile niya pang tropical country.
Yeah.
It will
Perfect
work well for our weather.
Sarap suotin ito sa tirik na araw. Especially malapit na mag-summer. March, April, di ba? Siyempre, lahat nagbabakasyon. This is perfect adding it into your wardrobe collection. Okay? Nothing else to say, Boss Terence? Till next time, Fragrance Family, huwag natin kalimutan na lagi magpabango para sa sarili natin. And create memories because life is too short. Till next time, Fragrance Family, love you all. Never forget na don't go after compliments. Suotin mo, appreciate mo yung pabango. Love you all.